All right, we're back out here in the Spear Homestead. I got my burn pile going. It is Thursday, April 3rd, 2025. We finally, on April 1st, finally got the crew out here to start working on building the front porch. So that work's been going on for 3 days, and it looks like we got actually a pretty competent crew out here. They seem to know what they're doing. So this crew here will be, after they get done with the front porch, we'll start on the garage. So we'll see how that goes. It's finally good to see. It's good to see that there is finally progress being made on our house. It's been sitting here, not a whole lot's been getting done over the last several weeks. The excavating guy that was out here several weeks ago, his skid steer broke down, had a hydraulic leak, and haven't seen him since. So I don't know if he ever got that fixed. And yeah, so I moved a bunch of dirt. That big mound right there used to extend out to about there. It was huge. I whittled that down quite a bit, put it up against the edge of the tree line there. And then that little space right there is kind of a little makeshift pistol shooting berm. And then here comes the missus in the side-by-side. She's having fun. Let me stop her before she gets too close to these flames. Anyway, also ran the harrow discs through the our little garden area here. That the neighbor across the street brought his plow over here and plowed that up. Hey! Hey! You're too close! And then I pulled up several of locust trees. Those things are nasty. They're really bad thorns on them. Pulled those up yesterday and disked this up, and then cut up the chunks of the trunks. And I understand they make for really good firewood, which, by the way, that dead tree over there, I probably cut that up too. But anyway, took those over to neighbor down the street and around the corner. He's got a workshop and he has a wood stove, so I delivered that cut up wood to him. And anyway, that's all for now.